Hello viewers, you are watching Watch.pk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review Casio men's analog watch in black dial. This is the close-up of the dial. It's a Casio men's analog wristwatch. Comes with water resist, Japan movement, date option on the dial, and numeric hours marking from 1 to 12. This is the close-up of the dial. It's a pretty simple dial with a date option, and this is the look of the watch. And the silver chain, it's in pattern. You can see the design on the chain, and the buckle, the Casio logo you can see on the buckle. So you just need to pull it up to open the buckle, and this is the back side of the case. It's in stainless steel, water resist, and the inside look of the chain. So viewers, this is Casio classic watch, analog watch, and the model is MTP-V004D-1B, and 5058 is the user guide number of this watch. It's a Casio original watch that comes with Japan movement. As you can see on the dial here at the bottom, Japan movement is written. So viewers, we will try this watch on the wrist. Also we will check the weight and the diameter of the round dial, and also we will let you know where you can order this watch online. So viewers, this is how this watch looks on the wrist. It's a pretty attractive watch in chain, silver chain, black dial, and you can easily see the time, and also you can adjust the chain according to your wrist size. So it's a simple watch. It's a budget range watch of Casio. It's not that pricey. So viewers, we will check the weight of this watch in gram. The weight of this watch MTP-V004D-1B is 97.5. 97.5 gram is the weight, total weight of this watch. It's not a heavyweight watch, not lightweight. It's pretty moderate weight. So viewers, now we will check the diameter of the round dial and also the thickness of this watch. So viewers, we will check the diameter of this watch in millimeter. So viewers, the diameter of the round dial is approximately 39 mm, and the area that falls on your wrist, this area is around 46.3 mm, and the thickness of the dial, it's around 9.9, around 10 mm is the thickness of the dial. So viewers, we have checked the weight, the dial diameter. Also we have tried this watch on the wrist. So you can order this watch in Pakistan from Watch.pk, our online store. Cash on delivery is available in Pakistan, and you will receive your order in 3 to 5 days. For the international customers, we have given a link in the description. Please click on the link for online ordering. And also you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 031022333484 for more information about this watch and the pricing. And also viewers, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe so that you can get notification of our watches reviews and deals and promotion that we post on our YouTube channel time to time. Please share the video, and thanks for watching.